BJP workers have been detained by police after they made an attempt to enter the Siddhivinayak temple. Maharashtra BJP leaders are demanding that all temples should be reopened for devotees across the state. So after that, BJP workers are being detained. They made an attempt to enter the Siddhivinayak temple. Mayuresh joining me with more. Yes, Mayuresh, can you give us the ground updates? What exactly has happened there at the Siddhivinayak temple?
Absolutely. The BJP local unit basically from Mumbai has were basically protesting against the state government decision not to open any religious or the worshipping places. And that's why they were protesting at the Siddhivinayak temple. If you remember that the Maharashtra state government has not allowed any worshipping places to remain open or allow them to open for people. So that's why BJP's basic demand is right now is this, that the Maharashtra government should open all the worshipping places in the state and allow people to go there and worship. But to protest against the decision of Maharashtra government, BJP local unit was protesting at Siddhivinayak temple, and Mumbai police have detained them because if you remember that not more than 10 people can gather at one place in Mumbai.
Absolutely, and that's only for the well-being and health and well-being of the people concerned. One must understand that this is not about any kind of imposition. More than 10 people, it is not advisable to gather at any kind of gathering, religious or otherwise, and therefore this must be looked at from that perspective. What do the BJP workers have to say on this? Some of them have been detained. What is their bone of contention? Well, Mayuresh is tracking the story for us, and this is a fresh development we are tracking today from Mumbai, where Maharashtra BJP members have been detained by the police for attempting to enter the Siddhivinayak temple. What Mayuresh was telling me is that there was a gathering of more than 10 people, which is not allowed under the circumstances because of the pandemic. BJP workers were detained as they tried to enter the Siddhivinayak temple. Maharashtra leaders, BJP leaders are demanding that all temples should be reopened for devotees across the state. So that is their demand. But under the given circumstances, is that advisable? Already you can see in those pictures the number of people gathered is something which is currently under this pandemic situation not advisable. Such close proximity of people in any space, any confined space particularly, is hugely avoidable in order to prevent the spread of the virus. Mayuresh, take us through the latest developments on this. So why is the BJP adamant about temples reopening at a time like this? What is their main argument in their favor?
Is basically that the way hotel and restaurant have been started and the dining has been allowed. Why not? The government is basically allowing to remain to open all the worshipping places, including the temples and other worshipping places, and that's their basic argument because they are saying that it's an issue of people's emotion because people are emotionally connected with the worshipping places as well as it's an issue of emotions. That's why, considering their emotions, the state government should take this decision. And if the state government can allow hotels and hotel, restaurant and bar to remain open and allow the dine-in, then why they are not allowing these places to remain open? So that's their basic argument. And regarding this argument, they had protested outside Siddhivinayak temple, which is one of the iconic temple in the Mumbai. A lot of people used to visit the Siddhivinayak temple, but during this pandemic that we can see in last more than 6 months, all the worshipping places in Maharashtra are still shut and no one is allowed to go inside.